This is little Enais with hiccups. Oh. 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 I haven't finished yet, so wait for it. Show me the hiccups. Yeah. More please. And some more. Now. 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 Hey. Achoo! Achoo! Hiccups. Hiccups. How many hiccups can you do in 1 minute? Ready, go. Hiccups. And again. Hiccup. How do we get rid of them? Oh, but get rid of these hiccups. How do we get rid of these hiccups? Done? No. How do we get rid of the hiccups? Boo! Still there. Hold your breath, count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Still there. Any more? No, you wanna cuddle? Baby wanna cuddle? Enais, you're supposed to be sorting this out. And give you a finger. Grab. Squeeze. Squeeze it. That's your bottle there. And then go and get your bottle of water. Come on. I'll get your bottle of water, I might sort you out.